Yes, good morning children. Today we are going to start our this 7 chapters last portion that is left, lifelines of national economy, part 4th. Till now we have studied whatsoever the lifelines of our national economy, different type of means of transport, and transport further categorized into 4 categories, that was land transport, roadways. In land we have studied roadways, railways, pipelines, so on and so forth. And after that we studied about railways. In railways I told you about there are 16 zones according to the direction of the railways, direction of the north, south, east, west. And in this way we have studied afterward that waterways, major waterways categorized into 3 categories, this railways and so on. In this way now we are proceeding further to the last portion of your chapter, that is very interesting. I am saying interesting because you don't know many things whatsoever previously used for the means of communication. Like nowadays you know about mobile, internet, pager, such type of facilities are there. You have mail. But earlier you would be surprised to know that when all these facilities were not there, how do people communicate? After all, they have to communicate. Business was going on, import and export was going on. We people used to talk with their relatives, used to go there, hear their problems, and in the time of happiness as well as whenever there is any type of tragedy, then also people used to communicate. And that was very beginning, very, if we go very backside, at that time it was with the help of animals. Being younger ones, you may know that you have heard that song also, that Kabutar Ja Ja, and some of the mythical stories you have heard about. Horse also used for such type of communication. Horses were used to send message from one place to another place. Exactly same way there was some this pigeon and crow, and they were also used as symbolic. Sometimes if crow is there on our terrace, people used to say that, used to guess that somebody is about to visit my house, mean to say they are going to receive some guests. This was their so what we can say, intuition was there with these means of communication. But as now the scenario has changed and we have changed means of communication, that are the communication, personal communication and mass communication. 2 type of communications are used over the time, and that is, one is personal and second is mass. When we talk about personal communication, mean to say at that time we are talking about with only one person face to face, or we can say that with the help of mobile. When we talk one person only, here don't get confused because sometimes we make group call also. But when we are single, exchange of idea, exchange of communication, information is exchanged, that is communication, and that communication is personal. Right? When personally we talk, earlier it was in the form of letters also. Earlier it was in the form of letters also. 3 type of letters were there. After that I will tell you what. Envelopes were there, inland letters were there, and aerograms were there. Some of you may have seen, but I will show you. And then next one is mass communication. Mass communication is another mean of communication. Yes, children, I was talking about your means of personal communication. There 3 type of letters were used to send. You may see this page of paper. Right? There was this type of simple card was there, that is used as postcard. Right? In this way only. It's one side there, that is total blank. One side is total blank, and another side there was a place for writing, like this type of lines are there, drawn there, 1 2 3 lines, right? Here it is written address, to whom it is being to be sent. यहाँ एड्रेस लिख देते थे. Here was some stamp. Ultimately at that time it was 15 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise. Time change. There was like red stamp was there. इसको रसीदी टिकट भी बोलते थे. And this was just like a card. It is called postcard, right? You may prepare, and here we have to start the writing the message in this way. Whatsoever you want to write, it is open in this way, open. And here to whom it is to be sent, address is written, right? Like we can say SKGV College Sangaria, pin code this and that, and name of any lecturer or anything, whomsoever it is to be sent. It was like that. It was called postcard. Another type of, second type of this personal communication in the form of letter was envelope. Envelope that you have seen nowadays also. It was like that, right? And from here it gets open. Another piece of paper, letter is written and put into it. Another piece put into it, and it was folded here. Some type of gum was there, and accordingly it was sent. And its backside here some blue color paper was there, and here it is written address, जिसे भेजा जाएगा, that address is written here, right? And in the, here it was written our address, from sender's address and receivers. In this way it was sent. It was in the form of envelope. And next thing that I'm going to tell you about, that is maybe very surprising for you people, you may have not seen. This was also a type of letter, blue color paper, right? It was of two types. It was of two types at that time. Single this type of letter was there. Here was the margin line in this way, and here was the margin line here, and it is in this way, three-fold letter. ब्लू कलर का होता था, इसको एक इस टाइप से फोल्ड कर देते थे. देन फ्रॉम हियर इट इज गेटेड फोल्ड, एंड फ्रॉम द अपर साइड there was some gum pasted already, and with any help of any liquid we get it done, and it can be folded from the three sides, here, here and here. In this way it is getting folded. Once again it has also the same place here to write the address, right? तो जिस साइड से ऐसे बंद करते थे उस साइड से सेंडर्स एड्रेस होता था. In this way it has like three-fold letter. When it is sent within the country, it is called inland letter, and when it is sent overseas, mean to say any foreign country, that time it was known as aerogram, right? Letter was approximately same, blue color, right? Don't mind, I have used this map, waste map was with me, accordingly I have used. So price was also different. Its price was very low, 1 rupee 50 paise at that time, then 2 rupees 50 paise at that time. It was before 30 year I am talking. At that time it was cost 8 rupees when we have to send this letter to any overseas or foreign countries. Hopefully you have understood. I have told you one postcard, inland letter, envelope, as well as this one aerogram. So these were the means of communication during that time used for the personal communication. Another is that is mass communication. Like you know, mass media is nowadays when we transfer our information more than one person simultaneously. At the same time हम ज़्यादा लोगों से बात करते हैं, तो that comes in the category of mass communication. Like you may see the newspaper, news on television, radio, your net, right? And in this way you use this newspaper, periodic newspapers, weekly, monthly, right? Such type of newsletters are there. Like we also have in our school this system, na? Periodically we used to release our magazine, whatsoever activities are being done within 15 days, we used to release that in the form of pamphlet and distribute to you, and you people see. And annually we also give that. That is the mean of communication, that is mass communication, mean to say like now I'm teaching you, I'm using this mass communication because at the same time many students will see this video, and when we are in the classroom that time also I'm using this one, mass communication. Hopefully you have understood. If you have any doubt regarding that, just put me a message in my box, I'll answer your all the questions. Then for this mail channels are there, like I am telling you, different type of envelopes were there na. So before that there was rapid sending message program was also there, like just now we have the same time हम फटाफट rapid speed post करते हैं, जहाँ कुछ हम मैसेज डालते हैं, वीडियो कॉल करते हैं. At that time suppose it was not there, but everything was going as usual as it is nowadays. And at that time there were different type of mail channels. Mail mean to say डाक, post, right? तो इंडियन पोस्टल सिस्टम के अंदर ये तीनों चारों आते हैं. व्हाट इज द इंडियन पोस्टल सिस्टम? दैट इज थ्रू द पोस्ट ऑफिस. थ्रू द पोस्ट ऑफिस. इफ circumstances allow, I will take you there and show you all the things in the post office, and that is located in Samaria, how the work going on there. Whatsoever is present going on that you are seeing, whatsoever is you haven't seen, that is more important, that you have to take knowledge about that also. So in this way there were different type of mail channels were there, like Rajdhani channel, Metro channel, Green channel, business mail channel, bulk mail channels, such type of and periodic mail channels were there to transfer the information to other people by post through the post office, that is termed as the Indian postal orders. Right? ये भी एक अलग type की terms होती थी. Nowadays it is not used. For that there was a, like we have to send message. Nowadays you are sending message through mail. No? And before that there was a telegram. Now also you have heard about telegram. There is one app regarding this one, WhatsApp. Na? We have also downloaded that. You have downloaded for long videos. We can transfer those videos on the telegram, not on WhatsApp. Right, I want to convey. And like that there was a telegram in the form of such type of letter, right? Whenever urgent or very, we can say in the time of any emergency, people have to convey message to anyone. At that time this type of communication means were used. That was the telegram, right? Like nowadays you are writing email in your 10th exam and others, and when I was in 10th I used to write telegram, and the unique feature of telegram was that accordingly sum was given to us, right? Total उसमें लिखा होता था, suppose you are this and that, you live in that place and you want to convey this message rapid to your any relative, mother, father, uncle, aunt, formal, informal, whatsoever. And accordingly what was the unique, that we have to frame that message within minimum words. Because why minimum words? Because that time the cost of the telegram was fixed by the words, how many words you have sent there, because it was stenographer and type करते थे. तो उस टाइम में ये लगता था कि कम से कम वर्ड्स में आप लोग टेलीग्राम भेज रहे हो, तो दैट वुड बी द बेटर, बिकॉज इट विल कॉस्ट लेस. तो इन दिस वे सपोज यू हैव टू सेंड एनी टेलीग्राम urgently, and there was such type. Now there are courier, I think this type of messengers were used during that time. You just write here like anybody's death, so you have to write grandfather died, that's all. He or she will automatically understood what is the message to convey. If you have to convey that okay, last jo ceremony on this day na, he will write father died ceremony. He will not use the word ceremony also, only in bracket this and that. He will count that next 5 days it would be there, next 10 days it would be there. Maybe for the sudden news, rapid, maybe of happiness also, any baby born, father is here and there in any job, then he or she is to be conveyed, or other relatives. Accordingly this information was used. Hopefully you have understood. This is the means of communication, Indian postal system. This one Rajdhani, Metro, Beam, Business Bulk, and then there is a telecom networks. Very interesting. This you have seen, because you have seen that glass box, glass type of room is there here and there. That is known as STD and PCO. STD and PCO. These were the public call offices. Even whenever the people, they don't have any phone connection at their home, they go there to STD. Just their trunk dial system, subscribe trunk dial system it is known, right? वहाँ जाके एक कोड लगता था, जैसे हम लोगों का अभी बेस फोन है 01499, देन देयर इज फोन नंबर लाइक अवर स्कूल फोन नंबर 01499 250 ना, तो दैट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग, लास्ट जो है इस टाइप से नंबर होता था, जाके आप डायल करोगे, देन देयर बिलिंग इज देयर ऑल्सो देयर, राइट? जैसे अभी हम कैफे वगैरह में जाते हैं, ऑटोमेटिकली बिल बाहर आता है, तो देयर वाज बिलिंग मशीन ऑल्सो, व्हाटसएवर इज द rate, accordingly you will get the bill and you have to pay that. Sometime there is one person and sometime there is some electronics things were there. The payment was also like there. Exactly same way there is ISTD, that was for international calls. So that is called telecom networks in India. STD, ISTD. So in this way I have told you the means of communication that is used previously and presently. Hopefully you have understood. Take care, keep on studying, and next portion I'll tell you in next video. Bye students.